बरगे गुल सब्ज़ो रूए लाला गुल सबने पाई है तुझसे हीरा नाइया। चांदनी धूप शम्सो कमर के कशा है सभी में तेरी जलवाराइया।
Respected teachers, honorable guests, dear parents and beloved students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I stand before you to speak on a topic that holds immense importance in our time. The necessity of integrating worldly education with religious education in our madrasas. Ladies and gentlemen, Islam has always placed knowledge at the highest rank. The Quran declares, are those who know equal to those who do not know? This divine question is a reminder that true success belongs to those who seek knowledge and walk in the light of understanding. For centuries, our Islamic madrasas have been the guardians of faith, the protectors of Quranic teachings, and the centers of spiritual nourishment. These institutions have preserved the moral and religious fabric of our community. Yet, as the world rapidly evolves, new challenges emerge. Challenges that require not only deep religious understanding but also awareness of the modern world. Unfortunately, our community has suffered greatly due to the neglect of worldly sciences, technology, economics, languages, and modern skills. In many fields, we were left behind while the world moved ahead. Honorable audience, when nations advance in science and technology, we remain distant observers. When the world shaped its system through knowledge of economics, media, and innovation, we did not prepare our youth for those responsibilities. As a result, our community possesses religious passion, but often lacks the tool needed to face modern realities with strength and confidence. It is time to understand that religious and worldly knowledge are not enemies. They are companions. Knowledge is light whether it's come from the Quran or from the studies of the universe. Both lead a person to truth, wisdom, and service of humanity. Dear students, you are the torchbearers of faith. But to protect and present Islam effectively in today's world, you must also understand the language, technology, and the system of the age. Skills such as English and Hindi proficiency, computer literacy, social media awareness, basic sciences, economic understanding are essential for you to contribute meaningfully to society. Respected teachers and parents, our madrasas must become institutions that provide spiritual strength along with intellectual clarity. We must work to create an environment where Quranic and Hadith studies walk hand in hand with modern beneficial education. Only then can our students become confident, capable, and effective representative of Islam. If we fail to take this step, the losses we have experienced for decades will continue. The community will lag behind. Young minds will be left without modern skills. And we will not be able to convey the message of Islam to the contemporary world in the manner it deserves. I conclude with this heartfelt message to all students. Make religious knowledge your foundation and worldly knowledge your strength. When both combine, they shape a balanced, enlightened, and impactful personality. May Allah bless our efforts, guide our students, and make our madrasas the centers of excellence in both religious and worldly education. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.